Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. I am here to talk to you guys about the keto diet. So what is it all about? How does it help? Why does it help? Does it actually help? You know, throughout our lives, we've all heard of different types of diets, right? And then 2 years later, a month later, whatever, we hear about why that diet isn't good for us. And as with anybody, it's so normal to go on a diet and then not be able to stick with it and go off the diet, not see any results. It could be to be healthier, it could be for weight loss, whatever. But the keto diet works, okay? And it's healthy for you. So what is the keto diet, okay? So keto is basically limiting your carbs, having no sugar, and high fat foods, but all healthy stuff. So my husband, he actually has a before and after photo that I'm not allowed to share yet, but I can share next week, I believe, next week or the week after, because he was actually part of a challenge for body nutrition, I believe it was. I'll have to check with him, where he had to take his before photo and then photos every single week, and then he submits those. And then it's been about 3 or 4 months tops now, and he lost a lot of weight, and that is what he wanted to do, but not lose weight in the way where you have to work out, and eat salads for lunch every day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He wanted to still be able to enjoy his food. But if you talk to him, he will say it was not the easiest thing, because sometimes he just wants to eat pizza, or he just wants to have a can of pop, or he wants some ice cream, but he can't have that when you're on the keto diet, okay? So I will talk about it a little bit more, but let me kind of share with you what he did. And this is specific to those who have no idea what the keto diet is. You might have heard about it and you want to lose weight, or you just simply want to be healthier. So what he would pretty much eat is, think you can eat, eggs. So he would have like eggs, bacon, sausage, in the morning. He can have all of that. So you're probably thinking, oh geez, that sounds pretty good. Like, he lost weight from eating that. Yes, he did. He did. He cannot have things like hash browns, potatoes, toast. He can't have those things. But eggs, bacon, sausage, he can have that, you guys. And he went crazy. He did. He loves those things. Come lunchtime, he can have salads, fish, chicken, beef. I know a lot of the times he would have like a big bowl of hamburger meat and like a salad on the side with he likes like green peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, of course, cucumbers, and hot sauce, and a little bit of ranch. Now be careful with your ranch, and that's why I like Epicure so much, because they made this whole thing easy, because you have to be careful with carbs and no sugar. If you look at the back of a lot of salad dressings, there's tons of sugar, so be careful. Even the ones that say like healthy or like low sugar have maybe a lot of salt, right? So he is allowed to have salt, but he can't have sugar. But salt isn't really healthy for you either, right? So you have to be careful to not have too much. So the ranch, for example, that Epicure sells was either no sugar or limited sugar. Isn't that funny? I forget now, but it could have been either 0 grams of sugar or 1 gram of sugar, like in a tablespoon. So he would just have like a little bit anyway. So that was fine. I seem to think it's 0 grams, but let me check that. But anyways, so he would make his own salad dressings at home, but he could do that. A lot of people who are on the keto diet just go, well, I can't have sugar, so I can't have any dressing on my salad other than oil. Ew, right? Or like vinegar or something. Ew. But no, you can have so much more. Epicure makes it a lot easier. Plus, I bought him the omelet maker that Epicure sells, and that was so much easier. He just had to make his omelet in that. microwave it for like 4 minutes, I think it was. That's it, which I love because it means less pots, pans, and crap in the kitchen that he just kind of leaves in the sink throughout the day. He says we'll get to it later, never does, so I have to end up cleaning it. At least with the omelet maker, it's so easy to clean. He actually does it himself. But anyway, sorry, husband, I don't mean to sound rude, but yeah, it's so true. And then for dinner, same type of thing. He would be able to go out and have a steak. So we went out to eat, and I said to him, I said, you can't eat anything. Like you can have eggs, you can have salads. So are you going to have like a salad for dinner and like a plain chicken? Because you have to be careful when you eat out. Yes, I said that you can have chicken, you can have steak, things like that. But a lot of places add like extra, seasoning on all of those things that has sugar. You cannot have sugar. So he would ask for a steak, you shouldn't be adding like too much to that, right? And he could have like broccoli, cauliflower, things on the side. He can have a Caesar salad depending on how the salad is made, right? No croutons, but see, he can have a good meal. Chicken was a lot harder because restaurants tend to add a lot of seasonings to chicken, and they always contain sugar, so be careful. He was able to eat out though at Swiss Chalet. He would get a chicken, he would get a Caesar salad. He can't obviously have the Swiss Chalet sauce because that's loaded with salt and sugar. He couldn't have the lovely French fries that I would always have, but you get the idea. He was still able to eat. He lost a lot of weight, you guys. I'm not even allowed to say how much he lost, but that will come up in a couple weeks. I will let you know, but I will show you the before picture, the after picture. I believe he started off at 280 pounds, and let's just say he's a lot less now. So I will be sharing that with you. But if you guys are excited to learn more about the keto diet or the keto lifestyle, or just how to be healthier, you guys, how to be healthier, limit salt, limit sugar. It's amazing how much energy you guys will have. It's truly amazing. If you want to learn more about that, I do have the link on the bottom. Be sure to join my group on Facebook because I share all of this with you guys. Plus, I will be having the new product launch for Epicure, buy one, get one sales, which is amazing. I have amazing customers, so I am able to do that. Plus, the first week of September, I will be donating everything that I make from those sales to a charity, okay? Because this is just something that I am very passionate about, and since I do have such amazing customers, I am able to do that. So please, have a look for Canada, US, anybody. Honestly, I ship to the US often, at least weekly, okay? At least weekly, because I do know a lot of people from there, and they love their Epicure, and it's not in US yet. It's coming though, early 2019, so talk to me, I will hook you up. So thank you guys for watching. Any questions, let me know. And I look forward to seeing you guys very, very soon.